Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix zoom problems in Microsoft Word. If your Microsoft Word stuck at the wrong zoom level, or is it too zoomed in or zoomed out, I'll show you how to fix the zoom issues quickly. Just follow the few simple steps. Now first of all, we're gonna have to create a new document, and to do that, just go to your Word and then click on Home and then select blank documents, for example. The first step is to reset the zoom to 100%. And to do that, just go to View here and then click on Zoom and then choose 100% and write it. Either choose it from these presets, or you can write it, or even you can go to the slider in the bottom right here and you can scroll, you can drag the slider into to match 100% zoom. There's another way, which is to press Ctrl plus 0 or on Windows, or CMD plus 0 on Mac. For example, I'm gonna set the zoom to 231 and I'm gonna click on Ctrl 0, and as you can see, the zoom level is reset. The second step is to check the zoom slider and adjust. As I said, look at the bottom right zoom slider and drag it back to a comfortable level. This is the zoom slider, as you can see. The third step is to fix display settings. Now if zoom doesn't change, go to Windows settings and display, and then go to scale and layout, and if scaling is above 100%, try lowering it and restart Word. As for the fourth step, disable compatibility mode for older documents. If zoom settings won't save, go to Files, then Options, then click on Generals and check Open Documents in Compatibility mode. Now if zoom keeps changing, check for Word add-ins that might be affecting display settings, or reset Word settings under File, Options, Advanced, and reset display settings. And that's how you fix zoom problems in Word. Try resetting zoom, adjusting display settings, or disabling compatibility mode for a smoother experience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.